Hey guys, it's Ron. How you doing? Hey, today I want to show you how to get a free account with Production Crate. Who is Production Crate? Well, Production Crate is based in the United States, and they make assets for the motion picture industry. Here's some of the customers here: Netflix, BBC, HBO, Marvel. And what these assets are here, I'll show you. You have different video effects. I'll click on one of these in a minute to show you what's in them. Rosie Feed Music. We're going to touch on this. And hang around, I'll show you how to get a free account. Rosie Feed Sound Effects. 3D models. Let's go right to music. Here's when you get a free account, anything without a star you can download. You're limited to 5 a day on a free account. So anything with a star requires a pro membership. So let's just stick with the free content. So let's just listen to a couple of these songs. Back on the music. Let's go to action.
Production. ProductionCrate.com. Production.
These are all free. These are all free downloads here. Anything, like I said, with a star requires a pro membership. And stick around, I'll show you how to get your free membership in just a minute. I made a video about 2 years ago on how to use an overlay to make a sniper effect. And this would be real good if you're making videos for YouTube. You're a gamer, you're making videos. You can download these overlays and use them in your project. You have different types of downloads here, but the one you want is ProRes. So this is a zip file, and ProRes it's basically an MOV file. It's a very high quality video file. When you download this, it's going to be a zip file. You have to extract it, and then you can use it in your project. These things are really cool. I really like these sniper scopes. They're really cool. Now, to get a free account, here it is here. When you come to this page here, I'll put a link in the description where you can get this from. You're going to come here. It may already say donate $15 a month for 4 times more downloads. All you do is uncheck that, and you can get a free account. Just sign up with an email address and your password, and you're in. So you get 5 downloads per day, unlimited video effects access, limited audio access, limited graphics access, limited models, limited plugins, and 2K downloads. The Pro membership gives you 50 downloads per day, full access to all FX, full access to all audio, full access to graphics. So it gives you quite a bit more. You can go the yearly route as well. And but I just wanted to run this past you guys. Production Crate, I've been using Production Crate now for I don't know how many years, and it's my go-to source for effects when I'm making a video. So once again, I'll link this in the description below, and check it out, guys. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.